In this short video tutorial, we'll learn how to change the integer type values into string. So when you write programs using any programming language, you have to many times convert values from integer to strings, or strings to integers, or string to float, or string to decimal. So those kind of conversions are very frequently required when you write computer programs. So in this video, we'll understand how to convert an integer value into string. So let's say we have an integer variable x to which we have given value 10, and we have a string variable, let's say str. So we want to convert this integer value x into string, and we want to store it in this variable str, which is a string type variable. So we can do this in a couple of ways. The easiest way is to simply put the dot operator along with the x variable or any other variable for which you want to convert the value, and call the toString function. So you will notice that this toString function is available with almost everything, almost all variables that you create using C sharp. So if we call this toString function, what it will do is it will convert the value of this variable x into string, and it will store it in uh, this variable str. So let me put a breakpoint and run this program and show you how the value is converted and how it is stored in the variable. So let's run this. Let's debug this program. Now we are debugging this program. So if we so if we notice, the value of the variable x is 10. The value of the variable string as of now is null because we have not executed this line of code as of now. So let me move to the next line, and now you will notice that the string variable str has got the value 10. Notice these double quotes. These double quotes tell us that the value 10 is a string value. So this toString function has converted the value of this x variable, which was 10 in integer, into 10 as string. So these double quotes, they tell us that the value has been converted into string. So by using the toString function, we can convert the value of integer into string, and we can store it in the string variable. So with this, we'll end this short tutorial here. For more free C# programming learning content, visit openeschool.com/learn C#.